Hi, welcome again at Apes Biology, and we continue our series of key terms in ecology. And for today, we're going to look at another key term that is very critical, and that key term is called ecosystem. Ecosystem. What does it mean? Ecosystem simply means sum total. Ecosystem sum total of living and non-living things. The sum total of living and what non-living things interacting together in a community or habitat. That is the meaning of the word ecosystem. Non-living and living things interacting together in a habitat. So for simplicity, we're going to look at the components of ecosystem. And want to take note that the component of ecosystem, for simplicity, we can break it into what is called biotic components, which are living components, and then abiotic components. So we have the components of ecosystem classified into two. Let's avoid vain repetition. Let's say we just break it as biotic and abiotic, where biotic have to do with living things, right? Living things, while abiotic have to do with what? Non-living things. Now, what are those biotic components in the ecosystem? Your biotic components are subdivided into what is called producers, you have what is called consumers, and you have what is called decomposers. Okay, decomposers. While your abiotic components, you can break them into what is called the topographic. You have what is called edaphic, and what is called climatic factors. Topographic factors. Okay. Topographic have to do with elevation of land. Okay, that's what have to do with topographic, elevation of the land or slope. Okay, or slope. Sorry for the small space. Or slope. We're being natural here. Or it can be edaphic, which is connected with soil type. The soil can be clay soil or loamy soil or sandy soil. Okay, or sandy soil. That's edaphic. This one is topographic, all under abiotic. Then we have the last one called climatic factors. Your climatic factors include things like wind, rainfall, right? Sunlight, uh, pressure, right? Pressure. Sorry for the small space. So these are the abiotic factors: 1, topographic; 2, edaphic; 3, climatic. While the biotic factors are the producers, consumers, and decomposers. Do not forget that your consumers can be called primary consumers. All right? We have what is called secondary consumers. Let's break it down. Secondary consumers. We have what is called tertiary consumers. And interestingly, we have what is called quaternary consumers. Your consumers can be primary, like the primary consumers can be like here, producers can be green grass. Break it down, e.g. green, or just say grasses. Your primary consumer here can be grasshopper, right? Grasshopper. Secondary consumer can be lizard. What can eat the grasshopper? That's the lizard. Tertiary consumer can be something like the snake, right? And the quaternary consumer can be something like a hawk. Sorry for the small space, hawk. So this is a breakdown of the component of ecosystem: biotic, abiotic, primary consumers, producers, consumers, and decomposers. Very simple classification. Enjoy learning adaptive biology. Bye.